And it's just down there going... Funny thing is there's this guy making fun. He brought you up. He's making fun. He said something about how you like cocked meat sandwiches. But don't worry, I stood up for you. Told him you don't like bread.
He's gluten intolerant.
Hold on just one second.
We're
getting checked out.
By who? Is she hot?
So inappropriate, Brad. I mean...
Shut the fuck up.
Here you go.
Yeah. Why don't I have any friends? Grandma died again.
My fault. I look like a caveman.
My children are the reverse of Down syndrome.
He's the guy who got stuck in the middle of evolution.
He's that missing link.
God, if his eyebrows stuck out any farther, I'd make a bookshelf out of those motherfuckers. Fucking legit. Alright, let's do a Kinder Egg review. Okay, so you got this little Kinder Egg. It's called the Kinder Joy. It's called a treat plus toy or something. Sweet cream topped with cocoa wafer bites. You're trying to swap me off your head. Now what you do is you pull it right in half. Little tabs on it. And you get this little spoon for your candy. Well, I guess this side's the candy. This little spoon for your candy, right there. And that's, in this case, on the toy side. Pull open a little tab, and you get a bunch of fucking pieces of plastic. Look at that. And then you take your little fucking pieces of plastic, you make them have sex. And sometimes they don't want to have sex, but you gotta make it. Sorry, there you go. I made that one have sex.
There you go.
And, I made that one have sex, and you got this little car. A big, obnoxious, fucking spoily thingy. It's actually a little pullback car. They pull back little tires. And apparently it does wheelies.
It's probably from all
I think we need demonstration.
We need a demonstration?
Yeah. So what you do, you gotta change the camera to your floor built in 1903 or something. You know, pull back, you let go, and it didn't do a wheelie and it went under the fridge. So wonderful. But if you take it, you pull it back, and you put the wing on the ground, oh, it's doing a wheelie and it went under the fridge again.
Sweet.
Here's what your candy looks like.
They look like nuts.
No, they're ovaries.
I got you.
So, you just scoop it out. It looks all fucking gross and shit the first time you eat it, but then you realize it tastes delicious.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it's pretty good. You just scoop this shit out. You can kind of struggle with it, only because you're on camera and things aren't interesting. If you don't have some stupid shit. You got this big fucking wad of candy with your one testicle like tray. Oh, and I dropped it. You can cut that part out. So you just have this candy in one ball like tray. You eat it. Except it's not Trey's. I don't eat Trey's ball. It's astonishingly delicious.
How many grams of sugar's in it?
Fucking lot.
Is that what it says on the side?
I'm gonna be honest, it doesn't fucking tell you how much is in it. Don't surprise me. Camera's trying to pick me up from fucking a mile away, and then I'm shoving stuff in his face. Alright. Next segment of the show. We ate our candy before fucking dinner. That's great. So now we're gonna start the fucking cooking process.
Oh, cooking with Tevin.
Cooking with Tevin.
This is the Tevin show.
Without Red Bull. Huh? No. Do the hands get washed? Because, you know, nobody wants your ball tickling hands all over their fucking burgers. Gotta make sure you get the good scrubbing. Okay. So now that you just took the time to wash your hands, you're gonna dry them all over your fucking dirty shirt anyhow. So who fucking cares?
This is Cooking with Tevin.
Oh, Cooking with Tevin. Tevin, what are you cooking?
I don't know yet.
Ah, excellent. One of those. That's the best kind.
That's the best kind.
He's like.
I do know, but I don't like ruining surprises.
Okay, we'll find out later. Sounds good.
Something borderline psychotic about saying I don't like ruining surprises and pulling the biggest fucking knife from the drawer out and just holding it there and staring at it for a second like, I killed my dog with this.
And that's the surprise. He's cooking his dog.
Are you cooking your dog?
I'm not Chinese. Yeah, they told me I could be anything I wanted, so I decided to become a disappointment. Does that mean you're going to go to the appointment, or they're going to cancel? Find out next time on I don't fucking know what I'm doing with myself.
I love that meme where this guy's dressed up as Darth Vader standing out in the middle of like the ocean, or on the edge of the ocean, on the beach or whatever, and he's like waist high. And he has a water purifier, and he's pouring that water purifier, filling it up with ocean water, and pouring it into a different pitcher.
Oh my god, I love that meme.
I'm going to blow it up right here.
You know, I always thought that hamburgers were delicious. And then I watched the movie Pink Floyd The Wall. There's a scene in that movie, for people who haven't seen it, that kids are falling into a giant meat grinder. And ever since then, I've just loved burgers so much more.
Nothing tastes as good as Little Jimmy.
Should I make sliders or full-size burgers?
Full size.
Yeah, I wasn't really going to make sliders if you said sliders. I only have full-size buns.
I was just thinking about your old lady.
Yeah, but she's used to having small portions of meat in her mouth.
Oh.
He just burned himself.
Alright. We have flame. The stove was off kerfuckle.
Did you hit it with a hammer?
No, because it's not my best glass jar. Laugh, damn it.
Damn it!
You got no choice.
He told me to. Did you? Did you? Did you wash your hands?
Not after the Red Bull.
Now everything you touch is covered in...
Oh no, I washed my hands after I handled the hamburger.
Okay.
And then I immediately touched the hamburger again.
Well, now my hands are clean. Let's put this burger in.
Fucking tapeworms. Look like some kind of big vagina. I don't care.
Who needs to diet on tapeworms?
Yeah, see? Fucking, who needs, like, Rosetta Stone to lose weight? I know I fucked up that, okay? Size. This one's for Kevin, and this one's for Julie, and this one's for me. As you can see, they are fully cooked. Walked all the way to my room, only to realize that my vape was in my pocket the entire time. It'd be insane. Wonder if I've burnt these burgers yet.
Yes.
I think they're... Oh, I just sloshed some really hot grease onto my foot.
There you go.
It is just down there going... sounds it was making. I mean, it was great for the surround sound because we were playing Call of Duty Zombies. Take the cheese. You unwrap it. You gotta use your hands for this part. And then you eat it. Put it on the patty. I'd do it more than once if you made more than one burger. Yeah. That was a successful. I got just the right amount of penicillin in it. I just had to fight the Jamaican guy from out of the box to get that. Such an oddly, particular thing. All I can remember about him is that he had dreadlocks, and the palms of his hands were a lot more brown, and the backs of his hands were a lot more black. They're going to look in the fridge for something that's really not healthy.
Mayonnaise.
Fuck yes. Ooh. Bullshit. Don't support them Jews.
Jews?
Hellman's mayonnaise is not for Jews! Oh, well, that's fucking disappointing.
What?
When your boyga gets fat, but it doesn't get wide, so you end up with that kind of gap.
Trick.
Oh boy, that was a good bite of bread and cheese.
At least the cheese is good, right?
Yeah, I love that jalapeno cheese. Oh, I know. I'm hardly putting it in the video.
I know.
It's like, this video is not sponsored by Velveeta. We are not sponsoring Red Bull. Oh, I gotta go get some condoms. Hold on. Except that time I swing my dick in front of the camera. You see an excessive amount of extra condom flailing behind it. I feel like that's gonna be the biggest misconception about our channel is that everybody's gonna think I'm Asian.
You're not Asian.
Well, yeah, but I mean, I really don't see people not thinking that with my squinty ass eyes.
Well, maybe they'll think you're being an asshole.